OnePlus 9 is launching in India on March 23, and ahead of the official unveiling, the company has revealed a few features of the phone. The OnePlus 9 series will offer support for 5G and a quad rear camera setup. It will include a 50MP Sony IMX766 ultra-wide camera. The OnePlus 9 Pro smartphone is expected to offer a 50MP camera, but it is unknown whether the same sensor will also be offered by the standard version of the phone. The company has partnered with camera manufacturer Hasselblad to offer users an enhanced camera experience with the OnePlus 9 series. The key highlight of the upcoming OnePlus 9 phones will likely be the cameras, as the company is co-developing it with Hasselblad. With OnePlus top-of-the-line hardware and computational photography and Hasselblad's rich aesthetic knowledge in traditional photography, I am confident that the OnePlus 9 series will be a major leap forward in our ability to deliver a premium, flagship camera, Pete Lau, founder and CEO of OnePlus, said in a statement. The brand just recently confirmed that the OnePlus 9 series will come with a panoramic camera with 140-degree field of view, T-lens tech for fast focusing through the front camera, and a freeform lens to eliminate edge distortion in ultra-wide photos. There will also be a Hasselblad Pro mode, which the company is promising will offer the ability to adjust ISO, focus, exposure, white balance, and more. If leaks are to be believed, the OnePlus 9 Pro will offer a 48MP Sony IMX766 primary sensor with a 140-degree field of view. It will be backed by a 50MP Sony IMX766 ultra-wide matrix camera with a freeform lens. There could also be an 8MP telephoto camera and a 2MP monochrome sensor. On the front, there could be a 16MP Sony IMX471 selfie camera. The OnePlus 9 series will likely be available for purchase via Amazon India's website.